Relational operators in Lua are symbols that allow you to compare values and make logical decisions based on their relationships. Here's a brief overview. Equality checks if two values are equal. Inequality checks if two values are not equal. Greater than checks if the left operand is greater than the right. Less than checks if the left operand is less than the right. Greater than or equal to checks if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right. Less than or equal to checks if the left operand is less than or equal to the right. In this example, relational operators are used to compare number 1 and number 2. The results are stored in Boolean variables and then printed to the console. This demonstrates how relational operators help in making logical comparisons between values in Lua. Relational operators play a crucial role in decision-making, allowing you to create conditions based on the comparison of values in Lua scripts.